I am just so happy doon sa mga nahanap ko at na-fit ko na mga items dito sa Wacol. It's been a while actually. The last time, I hardly go to the mall, very busy. I would always say I don't have the time, pero napakahalaga yan sa babae, ang undergarments. So, might as well, kung busy ka, tapos pupunta ka na lang din to get an undergarment, doon ka na sa mapapagkatiwalaan mo. And sigurado mong it's worth your money. Lalo na yung mga 13th month and bonuses, dito nyo na i-spend yan. My experience, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na may nag-a-assist sa'yo, i-check yung tamang size mo. Kasi alam naman natin, lalo na tayong mga kababaihan, di ba nagbabago yung sizing natin. Minsan iisipin natin, gusto natin smaller size, but pagdating sa realidad, mas malaki pala yung size. So it's best na meron nag-a-assist sa'yo that you get your right size, your right measurement, and then they'll assist you. And they're honest kung yun ba ay bagay sa body type mo or not. And if not, hahanapan ka nila ng mas magiging comfortable ka, which is very important to me. And also, I am just so glad that I found shapewear kasi that's what I use every day. As in, every single day, 7 times a week. That's what I use. So it's perfect that they have styles, At hindi lang laging bodysuit. Sometimes you're not comfortable na isang buo. So they have also just like yung parang shorts type, or yung pang-upper, or yung sabi nga nila, kung gusto mo ng hourglass, yung iyong shape, meron din sila. So I'm happy. Please visit Wacol. This is their flagship store here at Mega Mall, 2nd floor po yan. And they have great designs. Ang dami niyong pagpipilian, and it's perfect this holiday season, not just for yourself, but for your loved ones. With my shopping, it's good that I was able to buy a lot for myself, and not just for myself. I was able to get something for my mom this holiday season. Please do visit Wacol. This is their flagship store here at Mega Mall, and as you can see, they have an ongoing sale as well.